What is the cost of charging a Hyundai Kona electric car at home? This is the specifications of the car. The important point to be noted here is the battery capacity, that is 39.2 kilowatt hour. And the range of the car is 452 kilometer as specified by the manufacturer, but you may get only less than this value. So let us do a case study and find how much electricity bill you will get when if you charge a Hyundai Kona electric car at your home. So this is house A, which normally consumes 250 units of electricity, and this is house B, which consumes 450 units of electricity. And now both the houses are buying an electric car and they want to charge at their home. So we will do the calculation for both the houses and see how much this car consumes. I have taken the tariff for Tamil Nadu. For each state, tariff differs, and for Tamil Nadu, I have taken this tariff. That is for 0 to 100 units, there is no charge or it is free. And for the remaining units, you have to pay depending upon the slab at which your units fall. Suppose you consume 150 units, so first 100 units is free and remaining 50 units you have to pay at rupees 1.5, and then you will get some fixed charges. The important thing to be noted here is battery capacity is 39 kilowatt hour, and the unit of electricity is also given in kilowatt hour. So it is easy for calculation. So to charge this 39 kilowatt hour battery, you need 39 units of electricity. And the other thing is range. What is the range? With full charge on battery, how much distance you can travel. So this is given as 452 kilometer by the manufacturer. So number of units required to run this 452 kilometer is 39. So let us see the number of units consumed by the car. Assume that your travel distance is 45 kilometer daily. So with one full charge on the battery, you can travel nearly 10 days. So if you charge on first, again you need to charge on 11th only. So in a month, you need to charge only 3 times. So first, 11 and 21st. So if your average distance is only 45 kilometer, then you need to charge only 3 times in a month. So we have already seen that for one full charge we need only 39 units, and for every month you have to charge 3 times, so it comes around 117 units. In Tamil Nadu, electricity is bill is calculated every 2 months, so it may come around 234 units. So in some cases they are calculating monthly, and some places they are calculating bi-monthly only. So I have taken for every 2 months, it is 234 units. So let us do the calculation for house A. So initially, before using car, they were getting around 250 units. Now after charging the car, their units have increased to 250 plus 234. We have calculated earlier, so it is coming around 484 units. Now we will do the calculation for house A. Initially the number of units consumed is 250. For 250 units, first 100 units are free. The next 100 units will be charged at 2 rupees and the remaining 50 units charged at 3 rupees. So totally you are getting 380 rupees. Now with EV charging, your total units has increased to 484. This is from the previous slide 234 calculation. So first 100 units are free, the next one is 2 rupees and the remaining 284 units are coming to 852 and total is 1082 rupees. Similarly, we will do calculation for house B. So initial consumption was 450 and with EV charging it comes to 684 units. So now let us see the calculation for house B. So number of units consumed is 450 initially and with EV charging it has come to 684. Again we will do the calculation. We can see that it is coming around 2994 rupees. So the difference here is here it is in slab 0 to 500 units, whereas this 684 comes in greater than 500 slab. So there will be more change in the per unit cost. So we have seen that EV consumes 234 units of electricity. If you see house A, before EV and after EV, the difference in amount is only 702. Whereas for house B, it was a very high value. This is because of this additional 234 units, the slab at which this house B units fall will move to the next slab. So there is the per unit rate of electricity will increase and so they are getting a difference. So we can say that this electric car is like household appliance only. So as your number of appliances increase, your units will change. Similar to that, this can also be considered as an extra appliance only. So the consumption will be less only, but it depends how many units you are already consuming. Thank you. If you want to know more details, please do visit our website. And if you like the video, please subscribe it. Thank you.